Is he still there?
Yeah. Oh,
is he?
Yeah.
Play him out a bit.
What do you mean? Oh, he's gone.
Oh, is he?
Oh, no, he's not. We'll do it gentle.
Yeah. Cool. Is he bigger than the other one?
Where is he?
You see him? Whoa, yeah, he's a good size.
Oh, he's real strong, Matt. You get it.
That's a good one.
Oh, Matt, get it.
You're the fisherwoman.
Man, it's real big.
Just let it go.
Why? I want to see it.
Let him play.
What do you mean? What do I do?
Just tie him out. Here, just wait. Tighten that up a bit. Okay, now reel him in. Just nice and slow. That's probably the biggest one you've ever got.
Where are you, buddy? Come on, I don't want to hurt you.
Oh yeah, he's...
It's massive! Matt, get it!
Go on shore. Go... Yeah, it's alright. Bring him in.
You can't.
Walk backwards a bit. Keep walking. Bring him over here. Holy. Bring him over that way.
Oh, I don't want to
No, he's
hurt
alright.
him.
Gee, look at the size of that thing. Whoa, that thing's massive. Holy. Pick him up. You need to pick him up.
Hang on then. I dare, what do we do?
No, you got to. Just pick him up.
Where at?
Just wherever. Grab him by the head kind of and one hand in the back. There he is.
Oh, I'm going to hurt him. Did I hurt him?